Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sheena Jones. I have something brand new for you. It is an app for the holidays so you can make some easy money. This is 100% free. If you can accept PayPal, if you have a Gmail account and you're able to accept PayPal or Amazon gift card, you can do this. Okay, so the name of this app is called Shopkick, you guys. But before we get started, remember how I always tell you, documentation beats conversation. Here is a PayPal payment from Shopkick, December 3rd, $25. So yes, they pay out. Documentation beats conversation. They pay out to PayPal. You get a PayPal payment or a gift card. Now, how does it work? So basically, you guys, I went ahead and recorded a video. Let's play it. You're basically going to sign up. You're going to go to your, actually, let's pause this. Let's go right here first so I can show you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store. And you're going to type in Shopkick. That's what you're going to do. Let's go to our app store. I have Android. If you have a iPhone, you know, it'll be different. But this is Shopkick. You're going to download Shopkick, you guys, right here. Type it in, Shopkick, download it. Then you're going to simply open it. That's all you got to do. Okay, I'm going to keep this on so you guys can write it down. Shopkick. It's cashback and gift cards. That's the app. Okay, now let's go back to our gallery. It has ready to kick things off, pick a $5 gift card. Okay, let's play the video. Okay. All right. Okay, it's playing. There we go. And the video, you guys, is kind of long, but I'm not going to drag you guys through this long video at all. Okay, and once you download it, then you put in your date of birth. The year you were born, month, day, and year. I'm putting in mine, as you see. Okay, and you can turn on your location if you want to. You really don't have to. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's available worldwide, but I know if you can accept Amazon gift cards and PayPal, then you can do this, you guys. But like I said, there's no harm in trying. Okay, and then it has here, then where all the stores that's like, I guess, near me or around me. And you get points or kicks for simply walking into a store, scanning, you know, items, your receipts, so forth. And it's all the same thing, basically. Okay. And then where it has here. Okay, what I did, let me pause this real quick. Okay, now you guys, what I did is I clicked here, friends referral code. You need to click that. And right here, you're going to put in my code. Let me go ahead and go to the next other page and I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. This is my code. I'm going to highlight it. All capital. Capital K, capital I, capital N, capital D. And then the numbers 264896. I'm going to say it again. They're all capital letters. K, I, as in indigo, or as in N, D, K-I-N-D, 264896. You need to put that code in, you guys, in order to get your $5. If you don't put that code in, you're not going to get $5. Okay, there's a code. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you so you can write it down. Okay. Now, the next step, what we're going to do is we need to watch videos. We need to watch 10 short videos. Why? Because we need our extra $5, you guys. So let's get back into it. Okay, let's go back to the video. Okay. So, okay, let's continue playing it. So we're going to put in our code, so forth. Yeah, put it there. And then click on apply. And then you get your 2,500 bonus kicks when you put in the code. And then you click on continue. Okay. And then now you guys, you're going to see the success at the top in green right here. Okay. Now we're done there. Then you're going to click right here at the bottom on discover. Okay. Now you guys, we got to watch videos. Their videos are going to automatically play. So we're going to keep watching videos right here. You're going to click the little arrow to play the videos. Just let them keep continuing to play, you guys. Basically what we're doing. And then, okay, you're going to see your video count, how many videos you have watched right here. And then you see you get one Shopkick right there, you got it. And then it shows right here at the top. And me, like I said, it was new to me, so I was playing around with it, you guys. I was okay, I watched one video, and I was like, where are the rest? But I had to then go back, you guys, and, and do it again. And then y'all see how, I went ahead and accidentally pulled up some stuff on my thing. And it's like, okay. And then you see that? Okay. And then I had to go back down and finish watching the rest of the videos. Don't do what I did and get out the videos. Just keep watching your videos, you guys. Let it just keep playing so you can continue to get your kicks. Just let the videos continue to keep playing. And remember, you're not spending any money out of pocket or nothing. You're just continuing to watch these videos. Just continue to watch them until you get all your kicks. Yeah, and it is going to show up, you guys. It's going to show up 2,500 here when you watch all your videos. I believe it's 10 or 11 videos you need to watch, but they're very short, as you can see. See how short the videos are? They're very short, so just keep watching your 10 videos. This is the easiest thing by far to get a free $10, free money. Got another kick, and it's going to continue adding up. Okay. And then, like I said, continue just to let it play. And let me try to roll this video along. Okay. Yeah, we watched a lot of videos, you guys. Keep going. Okay. More kicks. We got 7. Okay. Let's roll it along. Oops, let's roll it along some more. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. This video is tripping. Okay. Okay, now let me open in video player, you guys, because so I can do it for y'all, because it is like, okay, that's better. Now let's fast forward. Okay, because I don't want to waste you guys' time. I know you're trying to get your kicks. Okay, 7. Where are we at? Still 7. 8. Got 8 kicks right here. I believe we got to watch like 11 videos. Okay, got 9. And then, okay, you guys are going to see. Just continue watching it. It's going to pop up right there. Okay, here we go. Okay, 9. And then it start tripping a little bit. But we got it fixed. Okay, we got 10 at the top. You see that? I believe it's 11 videos you got to watch. But it started acting up. But we still were able to fix it. I know this video is kind of long, but I do want to show you guys step by step. Have to, because some people get lost. And I don't want you guys getting lost making some easy money. Either PayPal or, you know, through gift cards. Okay, 10. Got our 10 kicks, and we have to watch one more video, you guys. Okay, 10 kicks. We got, and then watch 2,000 and something's going to pop up, you guys. When I say just continue watching videos and so forth. Okay. Look at 2,511, you guys, and it shows there. Y'all seen that? Okay. Next, we are going to click on our kicks. We clicked at the top, Instant grad, you have enough kicks for your Amazon gift card. You can get gift card. You don't have to. You can change gift card or get gift cards. Up to you if you want to get an Amazon or not. Okay. Or change gift card. Up to you, whichever one you want to push. But they have several gift cards. Look at that, you guys. Look at all these gift cards you can get free. Then you didn't do nothing but watch some videos. Watch 11 videos, you guys. You put in my code. You download the app. You put in my code. You watch 11 videos. And remember, the next thing you have to do is, you guys, you have to confirm your email. Log into your email and confirm your email, you guys. If you don't confirm your email, they can't give you your gift cards at all. So make sure you confirm your email, okay? And you can get PayPal. That's what I also like about this. But you guys, that is it. We are done. I wanted to show you guys something in Shopkick real quick though. Like I said, confirm your email, you guys. Make sure to confirm your email. If you don't confirm your email, you're not going to get your stuff. And then look, you can walk in stores and get paid, scan receipts, you can purchase stuff, you can invite friends. But just make sure you guys confirm your email. If you don't confirm your email, you're not going to get any, you're not going to get your gift cards or your PayPal. My rewards. Okay, I didn't claim nothing. Okay. Kicks. Okay, you can watch videos too, you guys. I clicked on Kicks activities and what's available, and you can watch videos and so forth and get more kicks. So do everything in here, you guys, just exploring the app. But it's 100% free. Try it out. It's free PayPal money or gift card money. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time.